Okay, so we're given the volume, which is 1,200 centimeters cubed. We want to determine the dimensions to make the container with the least amount of cardboard. So that's the same thing as minimizing the surface area. And so in a cylinder, this happens when height is equal to 2 times the radius. So for a cylinder, volume is equal to pi r squared times the height. So if the volume is equal to 1,200, height will be 2r. And so now we can simplify this. We will get 2 pi r cubed. So we can solve for the radius by doing this, the cubic root of 1,200 over 2 pi. And we get radius to be approximately 5.76. And this will be in centimeters. And then for height, we know this will be double the radius. So we can multiply the radius by 2 and we'll get 11.52. So now in part B, we want to determine how much cardboard is required. So that's making the surface area. So surface area of a cylinder we know is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. But it says in the question that it's an open cylindrical container, which means that in our cylinder, so if I draw a cylinder over here, the top is open. So we don't need to count the top circle. So I'm going to get rid of that 2 there. So let's plug in our numbers now. We have the radius as 5.76. Again, 5.76, and the height is 11.52. The total surface area will be approximately 521.1, or we can round it to 2. And this will be centimeters squared. So part C asks us to describe any assumptions. And so for the assumptions, we just have to assume that this has all straight sides and there's no bumps or anything, and there's no bumps on the bottom either.